Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the Christmas Snowflake app on your Shopify store, customize it, and infuse some festive cheer into your online presence. Now, whether you're new to Shopify or an experienced user, this guide will be super easy to follow, helping you add a touch of winter wonderland to your store with just a few clicks. Before we jump in, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and tap the notification bell so you don't miss more Shopify tutorials and seasonal tips. Step 1. Head to Shopify Admin. First, let's jump right in by navigating to your Shopify Admin page. This is the home base of your online store, where you control everything, from products to themes, payments, and integrations. Once you're there, look for the Settings button, usually located in the lower left corner of the dashboard. Clicking this will open up a menu with various options for customizing your store's setup and preferences. Step 2. Go to Apps and Sales Channels. Next, on the Settings menu, find the Apps and Sales Channels section and click on it. Here, you'll find all the apps currently installed on your store, plus an option to explore new ones through the Shopify App Store. So go ahead and click Shopify App Store to continue. Step 3. Search for the Christmas Snowflake app. Once you're in the App Store, you can use the search bar to look for specific apps. Type in Christmas, and this will bring up a list of all the festive apps related to your search term. Scroll through the results and look for the app named Christmas Snowflake. Click on the app to review its details. Check out screenshots, features, and user reviews to make sure it's the right fit for your store. If it looks like something you'd enjoy adding, go ahead and click the Install button. Step 4. Integrate the app. Installing an app begins the integration process, allowing it to work seamlessly with your existing Shopify store. Once the installation is complete, head back to your Shopify admin page and navigate to the Online Store tab. Clicking this tab will reveal more options, including the Customize button, which opens the theme editor. This is a fantastic tool that lets you make real-time changes and instantly preview how they'll look on your live site. Step 5. Enable the snowflake effect. Inside the theme editor, look for the option to manage app embeds. Click on it, and you'll see a list of the apps you can directly interact with on your store. Select the Christmas Snowflake block. Now here's where the magic happens. You'll see a toggle switch to enable the Christmas snowflake effects. Once you turn it on, the festive animation should appear right on your website, creating a magical, snowy atmosphere that instantly sets the holiday mood. Step 6. Customize and upgrade. Optional. You can often adjust the snowflake density, color, or animation speed, depending on the app's settings. If you want even more effects, like falling ornaments, lights, or music, the premium version might be worth checking out. It's a small investment, but for the holiday season, it can make your store stand out beautifully. Step 7. Save your changes. Finally, don't forget to click Save to ensure all your changes are applied. And that's it. Your store should now reflect a delightful holiday theme, potentially boosting engagement and adding a joyful touch to every customer's shopping experience. And there you have it. Your Shopify store is now ready to spread some holiday magic. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments how your festive store turned out. I'd love to hear if you tried any other Christmas-themed apps or decorations too. Thanks for watching, and I hope your Shopify store brings warmth, joy, and festive spirit to everyone who visits this season. Until next time, happy selling and happy holidays.